Welcome back to CARSJADE, your ultimate destination for car lovers who live for performance, design, and innovation on four wheels. Today, we're diving into the top 7 best mid-size SUVs coming in 2026. Vehicles that are redefining what it means to drive smarter, cleaner, and more connected. SUVs are no longer just family haulers. They've become symbols of lifestyle, power, and technology. And as we move toward 2026, automakers are rolling out their most advanced mid-size SUVs yet, blending hybrid efficiency, futuristic design, and intelligent luxury like never before. So, whether you're a family driver, a weekend adventurer, or someone hunting for the perfect blend of power and practicality, this lineup will make 2026 an unforgettable year on the road. Let's count down, from number 7 to number 1, the best mid-size SUVs you'll want to wait for. Number 7. 2026 Nissan Murano. The Nissan Murano is making a bold comeback in 2026 after years of silence. Nissan is completely reimagining its mid-size SUV, moving away from its dated design to a more futuristic, coupe-like silhouette that looks sleek, premium, and ready for the next generation. Under the hood, expect Nissan's new turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a hybrid system, delivering around 250 horsepower while maintaining excellent fuel economy, likely over 35 miles per gallon combined. The CVT gearbox will be tuned for smoother response and better efficiency, fixing one of the Murano's long-standing weak spots. Inside, Nissan's focus is on technology and serenity. The cabin is expected to feature dual 12.3-inch curved displays, ambient lighting, and zero-gravity seats that make long drives effortless. Advanced safety tech through ProPilot Assist 2.0 will enable semi-autonomous driving in certain conditions. With a refined look, a hybrid heart, and a luxury-level cabin, the 2026 Murano is Nissan's chance to reclaim its space in the mid-size SUV segment. Expected price: starting around $40,000. Number 6. 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. Hyundai shocked everyone when it revealed the boxy, retro-inspired Santa Fe, a total departure from its past design language. But for 2026, this bold new direction will evolve even further with improved hybrid powertrains and new tech aimed at modern families. Powering the Santa Fe Hybrid will be a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine mated to an electric motor, pushing around 231 horsepower, while a plug-in hybrid, PHEV variant could offer 35 miles of pure electric range. Hyundai's hybrid tuning is known for smooth power delivery, and 2026 models promise even greater refinement and quieter operation. Step inside, and it feels like a luxury living room. The dual 12.3-inch curved screens, eco-friendly materials, and smart storage design make the Santa Fe a functional beauty. It even includes a UVC sterilization compartment and dual wireless charging pads, small touches that show Hyundai's attention to modern lifestyles. Families will love the extra third row, generous cargo space, and the rugged Land Rover-inspired design. For those who want versatility with efficiency and flair, this Santa Fe will be hard to ignore. Expected price: around $38,000 to $45,000. Number 5. 2026 Honda Passport. The Honda Passport is finally getting the full redesign fans have been begging for. The 2026 model will borrow heavily from the new Honda Pilot's platform, but with a sportier edge and an all-new hybrid powertrain. Rumors suggest a 2.0-liter turbo hybrid system that delivers over 300 horsepower, a blend of strong performance and great efficiency, hitting around 33 miles per gallon combined. Expect available all-wheel drive with trail mode for off-road adventures. Design-wise, the 2026 Passport will lean into its rugged DNA, featuring a squared-off front fascia, bold wheel arches, and a wider stance. Inside, Honda's interior redesign brings simplicity, durability, and elegance together. You'll get a 12.3-inch touchscreen, digital gauge cluster, and the new Honda Sensing 360 system for full-circle safety. This SUV will appeal to families who need space and reliability, but also love weekend exploration. Expected price: $41,000 to $47,000. Number 4. 2026 Subaru Outback Hybrid. The Subaru Outback is already a household name among adventure seekers, but the 2026 Outback Hybrid will take that reputation into the future. Subaru plans to blend its symmetrical all-wheel drive system with a new Toyota-sourced hybrid powertrain, creating the most fuel-efficient and capable Outback ever. Expect a 2.5-liter flat-4 hybrid engine, producing around 250 horsepower, with the brand's legendary all-weather grip intact. Fuel economy could reach 38 to 40 miles per gallon, which is a major improvement for a vehicle known for its ruggedness. The new design will feature cleaner lines, a slightly more upright stance, and a refreshed interior that's both minimalist and functional. The Starlink infotainment system will get a major update with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands for off-road navigation. In real-world terms, the Outback Hybrid will remain one of the best all-terrain mid-size SUVs for families who don't want to compromise on comfort, safety, or adventure. Expected price: around $39,000. Number 3. 2026 Mazda CX-70. Mazda has been quietly revolutionizing its lineup, and the 2026 CX-70 is proof that the brand is stepping into luxury territory. Built on Mazda's rear-wheel drive large platform, this SUV will combine performance, elegance, and efficiency like no other mid-size SUV in its class. Under the hood, expect a 3.3-liter inline-six turbo engine paired with a 48V mild hybrid system, producing up to 340 horsepower. That's sports sedan power in an SUV body. A plug-in hybrid variant is also expected, sharing components with the CX-90 PHEV. Inside, the CX-70 feels more European luxury than Japanese mainstream. The cabin features hand-stitched Nappa leather, real wood trim, and metal accents. Mazda's new infotainment interface combines a large central display with a driver-centric layout, keeping everything intuitive and elegant. But the best part: the driving dynamics. The CX-70 will offer sharp steering, balanced weight distribution, and that trademark Mazda driving feel, making it a true driver's SUV. Expected price: around $45,000 to $53,000. Number 2. 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe. Jeep's flagship mid-size SUV is going greener and meaner. The 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe represents the perfect balance between off-road dominance and hybrid efficiency. It's powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine paired with 2 electric motors, delivering a total of 375 horsepower and a massive 470 lb-ft of torque. It's one of the most powerful plug-in hybrids in its class, and it offers up to 30 miles of pure electric range. Jeep will continue refining its suspension and hybrid tuning, making the transitions between gas and electric smoother. Inside, the Grand Cherokee is pure premium. From Nappa leather seats and ambient lighting to Uconnect 5 with a 10.1-inch screen, it's every bit as comfortable as a German luxury SUV. For families who want rugged capability and modern tech, this is the ultimate all-rounder. Whether you're tackling dirt trails or city streets, the 4xe handles both worlds with class. Expected price: $59,000 to $70,000. Number 1. 2026 BMW X5 xDrive 50e. And at number 1, the reigning king of the mid-size luxury SUV world, the 2026 BMW X5 xDrive 50e. BMW has once again raised the bar with a plug-in hybrid SUV that perfectly blends power, precision, and efficiency. The X5 xDrive 50e features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six with an electric motor producing 483 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 516 lb-ft of torque. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds, while offering 40 miles of electric-only driving. That's sports car speed with hybrid efficiency. Inside, the 2026 X5 embraces pure modern luxury. BMW's iDrive 9 system, dual curved displays, and crystal gear selector make the interior feel like a high-tech cockpit. The materials are first-class, from merino leather to carbon fiber inlays. With improved aerodynamics, an updated grille design, and refined LED lighting, the 2026 X5 looks sleeker and more aggressive than ever. It's the perfect SUV for those who want luxury, performance, and eco-consciousness all in one machine. Expected price: starting around $74,000. When we compare these 7 upcoming mid-size SUVs, it's clear that 2026 will be the year of intelligent versatility. Families looking for practicality and value will find the Hyundai Santa Fe and Honda Passport unbeatable. Adventure seekers who want reliability and grip will gravitate toward the Subaru Outback Hybrid, while enthusiasts craving dynamic driving will fall in love with the Mazda CX-70. Luxury lovers will have a hard time choosing between the Grand Cherokee 4xe and the BMW X5, but it all comes down to what you prioritize: rugged prestige or sophisticated speed. These vehicles show that the future of driving isn't just about going electric. It's about driving smarter, cleaner, and better. So, which SUV deserves your attention the most? If you crave luxury and power, go with the BMW X5 xDrive 50e. If you want refined performance with value, the Mazda CX-70 might be your best bet. For families and explorers, the Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid and Subaru Outback Hybrid deliver unbeatable practicality. The 2026 lineup proves one thing: the mid-size SUV world isn't slowing down. It's evolving faster, smarter, and greener than ever before. And that's our countdown of the top 7 best mid-size SUVs coming in 2026. Which one would you pick for your next ride? Drop your choice in the comments. I want to know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, smash the bell icon, and subscribe to CARSJADE, where passion drives every review and every drive has a story. Because here on CARSJADE, we don't just review cars, we live them.